when and where they're being blockers potentially, and this also allows them to plan for when their time is needed, and that's where the project manager or the iteration manager can also help in that space. Chunking the design and development work down enough so that it can fit into those iterations. It is a fine balance between chunking the work down but also adding administrative burden to maintaining those tasks, so there is a bit of a fine line there. And also, as was mentioned earlier, having a very clear solution concept designed and agreed up front to reduce those prototyping loops.
Thanks. Yeah.
And the last slide is just really a summary. Does it work in learning? Yes, I think it does, as long as you don't take a purist approach. There's some really great principles that are worth adopting. So having those regular stand-ups, iteration planning, using an agile wall, these things can be applied in learning regardless of whether it's a traditional agile project or not. The principles can work in conjunction with design methodology, not in place of it. It provides a really great visibility of work and blockers that can be shared in a more efficient manner. And I really recommend working with an Agile coach initially to help get the framework set up if you're not that familiar with Agile. That's a really helpful way to get things structured the right way from the start.
So Jenny, you know the case study we had about Diane?
Yeah.
What do you think Diane should do? Is her resistance to Agile wrong? Does she maybe, I don't know, she's the old mindset? I don't know.
No, look, I think that's natural, to be honest. I was also, when I first was told that we needed to work Agile for a system project, I was a little bit reluctant because, one, we didn't really understand it. Two, we weren't sure what it meant. Would it add complexity to our work? Would it add barriers or time to what we had to do? And it's really, once you